In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Freshsales. Whether you're wrapping up a trial or moving to a different tool, I'll walk you through the exact path in the Freshsales suite so you can request cancellation quickly and correctly. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin permissions, ideally the account owner. It's also a good idea to export any contacts, deals, and reports you might need later, and review your billing cycle so there are no surprises. Let's start inside Freshsales suite. From the main screen, head to the Activities dashboard. You can get there from the navigation menu. It shows your upcoming tasks, calls, and meetings. This isn't where you'll cancel, but it places you in the app interface we need so we can reach the settings area without confusion. Next, open the admin settings. Look for the settings or gear icon in your Freshsales navigation, often near the lower left side or the top right corner depending on your layout. Click that to open the administrative controls. If you don't see it, you may not have the required permissions, so you'll need to ask an admin or the account owner to complete the cancellation. Inside the settings area, choose Account Settings. This section contains high-level information about your subscription and organization. In some layouts, you'll see account settings listed in more than one place or grouped in a card. If you land on a General Settings overview, click Account Settings again to open the dedicated account page where subscription options live. On the Account Settings page, look for the option labeled Request Cancellation. It may appear as a button or link within the subscription or billing section. Click Request Cancellation. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your choice and, in some cases, share a reason for leaving. Read any notes carefully. Some accounts cancel at the end of the current billing period, while others may cancel immediately. If you have multiple products or add-ons under the same subscription, make sure you're canceling the correct one. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation to finalize. After you confirm, you should see an on-screen acknowledgement and you may receive an email summarizing the change. Keep that message for your records. If you need help, reach out to Freshsales support from within your account. That's it, you've requested cancellation in Freshsales. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, consider saving this guide so you can reference it during offboarding or share it with your team.